Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have still been making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. This morning, I was saying that if it does continue to make lower lows, lower highs, then we should definitely continue to look for shorts. I've been recommending shorts as long as we don't get a break of shorts to the upside at a Fibonacci level. If we do get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then there still is a chance that it could just end up being a pullback to this last move up, and there definitely is a chance that it keeps going up. We don't really know for sure if this is a correction or whether this is really a way B on the daily, weekly time frame, and it's going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs. The break of structure way down here is what's going to prove that. We don't want to wait for that break of structure to look for shorts. So what we should be doing is looking for shorts at the end of every pullback and learning and earning at the same time, whether this is a complete trend reversal going down and breaking structure, or whether it bounces from a fib level break structure to the upside and we stop looking for shorts and start looking for logs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.